Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a ham and cheese frittata. Preheat the oven and sauté aromatics, then beat eggs with milk and seasoning, fold in ham and cheese, and finish baking until set with a slight jiggle. Let rest briefly, slice, and serve with salad or toast. This approach saves time and keeps cleanup simple, making a satisfying breakfast or light dinner that reheats well for leftovers. Gather simple ingredients and prep quickly to keep momentum. Chop ham and grate cheese while the pan heats, then gently cook onions or peppers until soft. Whisk eggs with milk and season, then stir in fillings and pour into your greased skillet. Transfer to the oven to bake until the center is mostly set. Resting for a few minutes ensures cleaner slices and better texture for serving or storing. Small adjustments make a big difference in texture and flavor. Cook vegetables thoroughly to prevent watery results and choose cheeses that melt well for a creamy interior. Do not overmix eggs. Gentle whisking preserves structure. If the top browns too fast, tent with foil until done. A quick broil for 30 seconds can help color the top if desired. Cool briefly before cutting so slices hold their shape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.